The raw data for a map is usually quite straightforward. If, for instance, you are recording what type of TV you have in a room, you simply select the code for that particular model from the legend. There is, however, a different kind of data that hotel mapping can handle for you. You will usually find numeric data in surveys like guest satisfaction or maintenance incidents for a time period. Since each room could have a different value, it is often unpractical to use a legend code for each one. Hotel mapping allows you to use a different approach by letting you define ranges of values from A to B, from C to D, etc., and then automatically detects in which range the room value falls, assigning the corresponding code. Let's see an example. Suppose we have received the results of the latest guest satisfaction survey per room in this other document. We may find it interesting to see what rooms reach or exceed a specific benchmark. This will help you detect problematic areas and focus your resources in them. Let's create a new map called Guest Satisfaction Q4 and use the Make This a Range-Based Map option. You can now define the ranges that you want. You have up to 12 available ranges, but you don't have to use them all if you don't need that many. You can also select whether the numbers indicated are percentages or not. Notice that column highlighted in lime green. That's where each room's value goes. You can type the value manually or copy and paste from another document. Notice how the document assigns the corresponding code to each room as soon as you enter its survey value. Let's see what the map looks like. The document assigns some colors by default. It is in cases like this that it is particularly useful to change the pre-assigned colors of the legend, creating, for instance, a color progression from red, bad results, to green, good results. This way you will locate the areas in trouble more easily. Let's do that. Now that you have a color progression more suited to your needs, press the Update Map button. The resulting map clearly indicates the areas or flaws that need more attention and the areas where guests seem to be happier.